Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Poco C3 and let me show you how to enable night mode or eye comfort mode. So first of all, let me show you some customization of this mode and then I will show you much faster access to this feature. So let's begin with opening the settings and here let's tap on the display option. As you can see on the second position we've got reading mode, so let's tap on it. And here in order to turn on the reading mode right now at this moment, just tap on the switcher here on the very first option. And as you can see, the screen turned a little bit yellowish, a little bit amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light, of course. If you would like to, you can of course adjust the intensity of that feature just by swiping here. It's really up to you how you want to set it. By going to the right, you can make the screen warmer and to the left much cooler, so just set it like you want. And what's more, here we've got another option, we've got schedule option, so we can tap on this switcher here and we can choose either good night's read, and it means that your device will automatically turn on this feature from sunset to sunrise, or we can custom the period. So after tapping on turn on, we can choose the start time. So let me pick, for example, 10 o'clock, and we can choose the turn off time, so for example like here. And as you can see, it is immediately applied and the screen turned yellowish because we've got the time which currently is right in the middle between the turn on and turn off time. So let me turn it off actually. And this is the whole customization of the reading mode. And if you'd like to have much faster access to this feature, simply unroll the top bar. And here we have to find the reading mode icon, which is right here. So now it is obviously active, and if you want to turn it off, just tap on it. And as you can see, the screen turns back to its normal state. So actually, that's all. This is how to enable night light in your Xiaomi Poco C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.